Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this clip art of a ornamental heart. Pretty cool. It traces really good. There's a few problems with the gray, but it could be fixed. You could actually break it apart and just take care of that. But then you got a blunt end. You could work with it a little bit. That doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of change at the bottom, little rough edges on the top where it was at the top of the clip art, but that's easily fixed. But I thought I'd just mine's not quite as cool as that one, but you could very easily draw this. Just take a 2-point line and take a line and then go to the shape tool and get the twirl tool. And we're just going to try to click on that item and then just twirl it. And you could twirl it as much as you want or as little as you want. Then you could get the shape tool back. Maybe take out these nodes. Take out this node, bring this around, make your kind of your heart shape. Just stay with me here. I'm not doing as good as I did on the first one, I don't think. Let me start over with that. I don't like that at all. So get you a 2-point line. You could actually use a 3-point curve line maybe and give a little bit of curve to start with. Get the twirl tool. Maybe you can set it on something bigger than that. And twirl it. No. I did it so easy the first time. Let's make it really big. Let's make it like 10 inches. Let's twirl the whole thing. Maybe a little bit more. That's good. Take the shape tool and let's delete these nodes. Let's bring this node down. That looks pretty good. Now, how do you get that look? And you could still do a lot with more twirls by, extending this out. Actually get your 3-point line again. Just click on that and you'll get right on it and then just make that a little bit better. And then you could actually take the smoothing tool. You'd have to make it quite a bit smaller and just smooth that curvature out. Let's say that's good. Let's add a little bit more curve to this. And you can do this with your, doing your nodes. I think we're a little bit far away from our other curve, so you could take that and maybe just slightly move it over. Unclick it and maybe grab that one again. But anyway, then go to your artistic media tool and pick one that has lines that are go down into nothing and then click on your item. Sometimes you have to change the size to get it to work. And you see we've got a pretty bad curve there. So let's fix that. The artistic media tool kind of brings that out. There we go. Back to the artistic media tool. Click on that. Like again, you have to change the thickness to get it to work. Well, what is going on here? Let's click on it, then grab the artistic media tool. There we go. So that's not as cool as theirs, but you can play around with it. And then all you have to do is just take it. And I would do this first, go to object, break the artistic media apart to get rid of that other line, this invisible line that's in there. And then just hit the plus key on your keyboard and mirror it. And then while holding down the control button, just move it over. So mine's a little different, but you could do this too. You could take that center rotation and rotate your heart out, delete this one, hit your plus key on your keyboard, mirror it the other way, move this over, and then start holding down the control button. Not half bad. Theirs is a lot better, but you could play with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.